How to watch live video on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to watch live video on Instagram. So first thing, just head over to Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. So first method is you can actually find your live videos by following or seeing of users whom you follow. So when you follow any users and they are currently live, then you should be seeing all of their live right next here at the top of your section, storage section. So another way you can find the live videos is just head over to your search bar and just click on search and search in for a specific niche or topic. So let me select football for example, and I'll just head over to this account section. And what we will find out is if someone related to this niche or content is specifically showing a live video about this content, then you should be seeing all over there right next to their stories option, just like this. And the Instagram has directly removed the option to directly actually view the live video like it used to show like previously. When you come over to this reel section, you cannot view the live section because the feature has been removed. So that was it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.